Morning everyone, I am Vinay Patra of class 11 of Jyotirmoy Public School.
I am Snehendu Biswas of class 11 of Jyotirmoy Public School.
Today we are here to present a CBSE Science Education 2024-25 model titled Smart Disaster Tracking Robot Car. In an era where both natural and man-made disasters are becoming more frequent, a rapid and effective response system should be required.
This robot integrates several key features to function effectively in critical conditions. Here we have used the MQ6 sensor, which is a gas module sensor. It detects the hazardous gas present inside the atmosphere and sends a notification in the phone. Here we have used the DHT22 sensor, which gives us the temperature of the environment, and it detects the humidity of the environment. And here is the ultrasonic sensor, which detects the obstacle presence in front of it. If I put hand in front of it, it just stops the car. We are using inside the robot an N29010 motor driver IC. It literally controls the motor of the car and the drive crew. Here we are using the Arduino Uno and the AC05 Bluetooth module.
This robot is powered by the combination of rechargeable batteries and solar panels so that it does not encounter any problem without electricity in remote areas. It collects real-time data, transmits it through Bluetooth module, the information to the rescue teams on laptops and on mobile devices for immediate actions.
One of the standout features of this robot is its versatility in disaster scenarios. Here in this phone, it provides me all the real-time data of the sensors. Here we are seeing that there is no hazardous gas present inside this room. The temperature is 32 degrees and the humidity is 72%. And there is no obstacle. If I put my hand over here, it just detects the obstacle.
This project represents the future of disaster management robots, and it is an eco-friendly, cost-effective solution that combines robotics, electronics and real-time data collection. Our vision is to see such robots deployed in disaster-stricken areas and saving lives and minimizing risk to mankind. Thank you for your attention.